My name is Kelsey Bernat. I'm an assistant professor of biology at North Carolina A&T State University. I love this conference because I attended it because we've been talking about taking some of our courses online, and I was so not excited about doing that. But now after this workshop, I'm actually excited about the potential for student engagement that I didn't really think was going to be possible in moving from a traditional face-to-face classroom to an online classroom.
I thoroughly enjoyed Kelly's workshop on her learning through virtual discussion process. I felt as a former elementary school teacher and a current teacher educator, I thought that the technique was authentic. It was something that it connected to my prior knowledge because I was able to reach back to my days of teaching elementary school and those skills that I used to teach reading to children and use those skills for in higher education for my college students. So I think it's just such a thorough and such a really incredible way of increasing student success in online classrooms, because not only are they just learning the content, but you're increasing and enhancing their reading skills, their oral communication skills. So I'm blown away, really. I'm really blown away because this is really a powerful technique. It's a strong, empowering strategy for students. I feel empowered just walking out of here, so I can't wait to implement it for my students, and I can't wait to get the book.